Okay, guys. So today we're gonna pick we're gonna pick a target for the next 30 days of videos. Try and do a video each day of this target, and you guys can hack along with me. I've been trying to figure out what I'm gonna do for my YouTube content, and this is it. I'm gonna hack with you guys on YouTube because I do the same thing on Twitch, and it's just really what I know how to do. So, um, let's hack Etsy. Etsy has a program. They got $10,000 for a critical. Probably not happening, but the rest of these are pretty nice. Yeah, we got a pretty big scope. You see the scope there. So when you're reading through this, read the payout tiers. You know, they have 50% payouts for P1, P2 on blog.etsy and community.etsy and other microsites on a case-by-case basis. That means if you have a critical on their microsite, probably you're going to get paid. Third-party bugs are not authorized to be tested. They strongly suggest reporting issues identified with these services to the third party directly. However, if we believe that an issue of the third party service provider is the results of Etsy's misconfiguration or insecure usage, then we can present it to Etsy. So, cool. Pretty much everything in scope is in scope plus more. I mean, it says any publicly facing host owned by Etsy. Focus areas, they want unauthenticated access and API vulnerabilities. Those are awesome. Buyer-seller access, credentials, different subdomains and their meanings, target information, their API paperwork, which we're going to go over probably through this series. Out of scope, DDoS, IDOR, all Etsy APIs. Okay. I hope you guys come along with this journey with me, and we can all hack Etsy together. I'll see you guys on the other side. I'll make another video tomorrow about Recon on Etsy. Alright, later.